Hello everyone, this is Amritpal Singh. Welcome to the next video of SQL series. In this video, I'll be talking about two things. One is limit operator, one is alias. Limit operator used to restrict number of rows you want to display while going for select star from like table kind of query, right? Let's suppose you want to display some results and want to limit some rows, like I want to display this much of rows. You can do this with the help of limit. And what is alias? It's a kind of a short name given to a table, right? We'll see that. So first of all, let's start with the limit. It's quite simple. The way I have written this query, select star from table name. So the select star from table name by default display all the rows. But what I can do it, I can just simply write here limit 3. It means I want to only print the 3 rows, the very first 3 rows, right? So it can be done like this. So in this way, you can restrict your results to be printed, right? This is called limit. Next thing is alias. So what is alias? Alias is one of the very commonly used keyword in the SQL. So why we use alias? Alias is used to give the short name, right? So alias are nothing but as used to give table or a column in a table a temporary name or a short name. Aliases are often used to make column name more readable, and but the thing is, alias only exist for the duration of that query. And how we can use alias? Either with the space or with the as keyword. Let me show you how. Select, right? I want to print name as n something, right, from table name. So what I am doing here, that I want to give a temporary name to a name column, right, which is n. So you must be wondering what's the use of this. The use of this will come into the, it will be this alias is quite useful when we are dealing with more than one table, like in the case of joins, which is coming up in my playlist as well. Very soon I'll be uploading videos on joins. So it comes very handy when you have a more than one table involved, or you are using some complex function in your query, or sometimes the column names or the table name is quite big, it's not properly readable, right? Or you want to when you are combining 2 or more columns with each other, right? So in those scenarios we use this alias. We can also use this like this as well, okay, because as is optional. So this is again the same, all right. And the same way you can also let's suppose you can also create an alias for a table as well. Same result, right? So here maybe you're not finding any such significance of alias, but it comes into play when we are dealing with the joins. So you'll be getting more advantage of seeing the advantage of alias in the case of joins when we are dealing with more than one table. I hope from today's videos you come to know what's the meaning of limit operator and how we can, or what's the use case of alias. For rest of the contents, I'll be coming up with the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.